A simple sheet of paper is becoming a viral content machine. Millions of people are watching these satisfying DIY crafts, and today I'll show you exactly how to create videos like this.
First of all, copy the prompt from the Word file and paste it into ChatGPT. Make sure you copy the entire prompt exactly as it is. ChatGPT will generate a list of content ideas for you. You can choose any of the ideas it suggests or simply ask it to generate more ideas if you need a larger list. Once you've selected an idea, copy the generated video prompt. Then open Flow AI and create an account if you haven't already. Paste the prompt into Flow AI. Before generating, configure the settings according to the type of video you want to create. For shorts, use the 9:16 aspect ratio. Choose your preferred resolution and select the OmniFlash model. Once everything is set, click the arrow button to start generating. After a short wait, Flow AI will generate a visual storyboard for your prompt. Review the generated visuals, and if you're satisfied with them, click Approve. Flow AI will then generate the final video. As you can see, the video turns out really well. If you're not happy with the result, don't worry. AI-generated videos can vary, so simply try again or choose a different idea for even better results. Now let's generate another one. Copy a new prompt, paste it into Flow AI, approve the generated visuals, and within a few moments you'll have another video
You won't
ready.
believe this started as a cereal box. With simple wrapping and neat folds, it becomes a beautiful designer book that secretly stores your treasures.
You can also ask ChatGPT for ideas based on a specific niche. For example, in this video, I asked it for cardboard craft ideas, and it generated several creative suggestions. I liked the rotating desktop organizer, so I asked ChatGPT to create a detailed video prompt for that idea. Copy the complete video prompt, paste it into Flow AI, configure the settings, select the OmniFlash model, and click the arrow button to start generating. After approving the storyboard, your video will be ready. If you run out of Flow AI credits, you can continue by using another account with a different Gmail address. Just sign in, paste the same prompt, configure the settings again, and generate your next video. That's it. By repeating this simple workflow, you can create unlimited AI-generated videos across different niches. Whether it's cars, cardboard crafts, houses, buildings, furniture, cultural designs, vehicles, or any other creative idea, simply customize the prompt, generate unique videos, and build a complete content library with the help of ChatGPT and Flow AI.
Want the prompt behind these viral crafts? Subscribe, comment paper, and I'll send it your way. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next viral AI niche.